sklearn multi-output classifier chain. Input 1 explain in detail classifier chain accepts a multi-output estimator like a multi-label classifier and an ordering of the outputs. It chains together individual classifiers, each one learning to predict a single output label. The outputs from previous steps are used as additional input features for subsequent steps. The ordering of the outputs determines the chain of predictions. The first classifier in the chain only receives the original input features. Each subsequent classifier gets the original input features plus the predicted outputs from the previous classifiers. This allows the chain to take advantage of dependencies between the output labels. The output of classifier chain is a multi-dimensional array of predictions, where each column corresponds to an output label and each row corresponds to a data point. The predictions for each output label are generated by the corresponding classifier in the chain. Step 1 explain in detail initialize the classifier chain with a multi-output estimator and an ordering of the outputs. The data is then fed into the chain, and each classifier makes its predictions in order. Metric 1 explain in detail accuracy, precision, recall. F1 score are common metrics used to evaluate the performance of multi-label classification models. Other metrics specific to multi-output models include Hamming loss, subset accuracy, and ranking loss. Visualization plot 1 explain in detail confusion matrix for each individual classifier in the chain, illustrating the true positives, true negatives, false positives, and false negatives. Receiver operating characteristic ROC curves or precision recall curves can be generated for each individual classifier in the chain. The choice of base estimator, e.g., a random forest logistic regression, has a significant impact on the performance of the classifier chain. The ordering of the outputs can affect the performance of the model, as the chain assumes that there is a causal relationship between the labels. Confidence scores for each prediction can be obtained by averaging the probabilities across different classifiers in the chain. Bayesian methods can be employed to estimate uncertainty in the predictions, especially when the base estimator is a probabilistic model. Poor performance if the output labels are not causally related. When predicting multiple medical diagnoses, there might not be a clear order in which the diagnoses are made. Consider using a different multi-output approach like a multi-label classifier without chaining. Overfitting if the chain is too complex. A long chain with multiple classifiers can overfit to the training data. Use regularization techniques on the base estimators, e.g., L1 or L2 regularization, or employ ensemble methods to reduce overfitting.